Hi and welcome back to MRTV. I'm here at the Shift All office in Tokyo, Japan, and I have now hands-on time with the MS8K, the new device, the new micro-OLED headset that I talked about in this video. If you have not yet seen it, if you don't know what this is, 4K micro-OLED panels per eye, super high resolution, super light, super comfortable, and I can wait to jump into some more games now to really get a feeling for the device, and let's simply do that together. And I'm going to start with Kayak Mirage. So now in the waiting screen, I can already talk about the glare. So now it's a scene with high contrast, right? The black background and then the bright Kayak Mirage picture. And well, there is glare for sure, but it's much less than in other headsets. So probably on the level of Apple Vision Pro or Quest 3, something like that. And now in this starting scene, we can already see so many things. So super vibrant colors that only OLED can give you. This is incredible. And also in terms of simply the visual quality, this simply looks photorealistic. I couldn't think of how this could be any better in terms of the visual resolution. This is absolutely fantastic. Wow. This is crazy. So let's start. I always love to check out the night level in Costa Rica to see the performance when doing this, and I normally would choose jungle. Okay, so let's see that. So I love that night scene because you can see the moon, how it reflects in the water, and for those headsets that come with local dimming, normally they would have problems with that, right? But OLED panels don't have problem, like PSVR 2 or Big Screen Beyond. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is spectacular. You know, I loved it in the Big Screen Beyond, but this is even better because the lenses are better. I have this better edge-to-edge clarity, and I can look around now with my eyes without feeling, okay, I'm in a headset. Now it's like, okay, I'm here in that kayak right now, paddling. That is simply spectacular. Wow. And you have the perfect blacks of this micro-OLED display. So it's just black. This is just dark here, this area. And then you have the moon reflecting here. It is unbelievable. That is without a doubt the best way that I've ever played this level, or Kayak Mirage in general. Wow. Just wow. And then the thing is, you completely forget about the headset because it's so comfortable and light. This is 185 grams. 185 grams. Wow, I'm really shocked how good this is. And now these rock formations, it just looks photorealistic. It simply looks photorealistic. Wow. This is shockingly good. I could stay here forever, but I don't have so much time. So let me also check a day level. Let's do the Kings Canyon day. So let's see how this goes for day. Oh wow. Yeah, it's just photorealistic. And what is also good, like as compared to the PSVR 2, for example, there's absolutely no Mura whatsoever. It is just great colors. And just, it's good. I don't even know how to say that. So in terms of brightness, this is not as bright as other headsets, as the Apple Vision Pro, for example. This is like probably a bit brighter than the big screen beyond. However, this is not the final brightness, I was told. So there's still like a probably 15 to 20% that can be added on top of this. So this is something that they are figuring out right now for the final unit. And yeah, that's still something that is not final. So we have to check this in the final. So right now I would say it's a bit brighter than Big Screen Beyond, so that you have an idea. But because the lenses are better, I also just see more. You know what I mean? So while I see that the day level is brighter in other headsets that do LCD, for example, like Crystal or so, I still have an incredible experience also here in a daytime level. But simply to let you know, like, don't expect now a super bright headset. So this is probably on par with the Pico 4, I would guess, right now, in this state right now, in that pre-mass production unit. And they will also implement this kind of brightness slider that they don't have right now, but you will be able to tune it to your liking. So yeah, FOV again, around 100 horizontally and vertically. That's my estimation from my experience. But what really stuns me is the really nearly perfect binocular overlap. Again, something that we very seldomly see in headsets. Here you have it. So this for me makes all the difference. It is just so good. Wow. Love it. Really love it. So I would also say that this is the best experience for me in Kayak Mirage so far. It's mind-bogglingly beautiful. And I'm running this now on a resolution of 4000 by 4000 per eye on a 4070 Super machine. Just to give you an idea. So this runs perfectly nice on that machine right now. And it already looks better than in any other headset that I've played this. I also played this in the Apple Vision Pro, streaming it, also was nice, but it cannot compete to this DisplayPort visuals because you always had some compression. Yeah, so this is absolutely stunning. And the fact that this is so comfortable, there's so little glare, you have these beautiful colors and this resolution, it's a killer. Wow, impressive. And here I am in HalfLife Alyx, just to check out how does it look in the Mega NEX. And yeah, no surprises here. It just looks photorealistic. It just looks so right, and it's so atmospheric, you know. It's just a totally different ball game when playing this with a MICRO-OLED headset. It's crazy. Like if I compare this to how it looked when I first played this in the Index, which was a great experience, but now playing this in the Mega NEX Super Light 8K, wow. So it is just a day and night difference as far as the atmosphere is concerned. I had no idea that this would look like this. It's yeah, absolutely crazy. But I'm so glad that I don't play horror games, because this would just be too much. You know, this kind of darkness is really scary. But then it still can show like bright parts so well, you know, and this is just the magic of OLED. Wow. Crazy. Yep, getting out here of the dark, and now we have the brighter scenes, and yes, yeah, okay, cool. That works absolutely well. Like super dark here and bright here. And again, of course, you have all the other advantages of the mega necks, right? Being super light and just being able to forget that you're actually in a headset. Crazy. And that actually concludes my hands-on experience videos from Tokyo with the MegaNex Superlight 8K, and I really hope that you enjoyed them. As you can tell, I'm very impressed with the headset, and the last time that I was as impressed with the VR headset was with the HP Reverb G2, so yeah, I'm looking forward to get my hands on it for good here at the MRTV headquarters. Today I also have some good news for all of you who did not pre-order the device because ShiftAll didn't offer PayPal payment. Since today they do, so you can pre-order your MegaNex Superlight 8K with PayPal and everything that comes with it. So go ahead, the link is down in the description of this video. If you pre-order right now, you're going to get an extended warranty of 3 years, which of course is nice. And you could make sure to get into the first batch of headsets, which will be sent out February and March 2025. And yeah, you shouldn't wait too long. After my Microsoft Flight Simulator video, lots of headsets actually have been pre-ordered, and that first batch is filling up pretty quickly. And again, that's it for all my hands-on videos from Tokyo. I'm going to do one more video where I'm going to summarize everything, something like a hands-on review. That's something that you can look forward to, should happen within this week. And then I'm going to get the final review unit sometime mid of December, and then obviously you're going to get lots of content, and I'm personally very much looking forward to that. So that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, give it a thumbs up. And now come to the MRTV Discord server. The link is down in the description of this video. And there we are talking about the MS8K and all the other headsets every single day. It is wonderful, and you can get all your questions answered and make new friends. How good is that? Perfect. Also, if you have any more questions, you can put them in the comment section, and I'm looking forward to answer those questions there as well. That's everything. I'm looking forward to see the next one. Until then, bye-bye.